Hello, hi, good
Uh,
evening.
Hello. I
Yes,
think I think
yeah,
and
welcome back, Minoru. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good today. Thank you.
Yeah, good to have you
Yeah,
back. Yes, thank you so much for coming back.
yeah,
Okay, all right, so I can see here you chose Travel English 2, Beginner
yes,
8. Is that right?
yeah,
All right,
yes,
okay.
yes. That's right.
So today's lesson is number 8, and the title is At a Clothing Store. Okay, please
That's right.
check today's goal.
Okay, done.
All right, so let's move on to words or expression. Okay, please repeat after me twice. All right, let's start with the word
Mm.
ago.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, so let's please repeat after me twice. Okay.
Yes,
All right, let's start with the first word. We have ago.
ago,
One more time, ago.
ago.
Reservation sleep.
Reservation sleep.
Okay, one more time, reservation sleep.
Reservation sleep.
Okay, very good. Next is by the way.
By the way,
By the way.
by the way.
All right. And also we have limited edition.
Limited edition.
Limited edition.
Limited edition.
Okay, and the last one is try a on.
Try on.
Try a on.
Try on.
All right. Do you have any questions with our words or expressions?
I I have interesting and
Mm-hmm.
because of try on it's similar put on
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. All right.
yeah,
So let's move to the next page. Okay.
okay,
All right. So please check the directions here.
yes, okay, done,
All right. So please repeat after me twice. Okay.
yeah.
Let's start. Excuse me. I reserved jeans 2 weeks ago.
Excuse me, I received jeans 2 weeks ago.
Okay, one more time. Excuse me, I reserved jeans 2 weeks ago.
Excuse me, I reserved jeans 2 weeks ago.
Okay, may I see your reservation slip?
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 It's not with me now. I'm Tanaka, by the way.
It's not with me now. I'm Tanaka, by the way.
Alright, it's not with me now. I'm Tanaka, by the way.
It's not with me now. I'm Tanaka, by the way.
Hmm, did you reserve did you reserve the limited edition jeans?
Did you reserve the limited edition jeans?
One more time. Hmm, did you reserve the limited edition jeans?
Did you reserve the limited edition jeans?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Here they are. Would you like to try them on?
Is there? Would you like to try them?
Here they are. Would you like to try them on?
Yeah, there. Would you like to try them on?
Sure,
Sure,
sure.
sure.
All right, very good. Now let's move on to the next page. Okay, so we will learn a key phrase. Please check the directions.
Yes. Okay, done.
Okay, so please repeat after me twice. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. May I see your reservation slip?
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 It's not with me now.
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 I don't have it 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 with me now.
Here it is.
Yeah, it is.
Here it is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, very good. So let's move on to the next page. Please check again the direction.
Okay. Done.
Alright, so please repeat after me twice. Okay.
Mm.
Alright. Did you reserve the limited edition jeans?
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 Yes.
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 Exactly.
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 That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right.
Okay, very good. Now let's move to the next page. Okay, please check again the direction here.
Okay.
All right,
Done.
so please repeat again after me twice. Okay, so let's start. Would you like to try them on?
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 Sure.
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 Absolutely.
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 Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
All right, very good. Now let's move to the next page. Okay, we will do role play here. Please check the directions.
Directions. Okay. Done.
All right, also the situation.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Reservation. Go one moment. Tanaka. Okay. Yamada. Okay. Okay. Done.
All right, so please repeat after me twice for the words or expressions. We
Yeah.
have the word sneakers.
Sneakers.
One more time, sneakers.
Sneakers.
Okay, very good. Now let's move to the next page. You will have a role play here. Okay. So I think you are already aware with the direction. Okay, so let's do role play. So I'll be the customer and you will be the staff. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you are going to fill in the blanks. Okay. All right, so let's start. Excuse me, I reserved sneakers a month ago.
May I see your reservation slip?
It's not with me now. I'm Yamada, by the way.
Did you reservation our new sneakers?
Did you reserve? Did you reserve?
Sorry. Did you reserve our new sneakers?
Okay, exactly.
Yeah, there. Would you like try them?
Try them on? Okay.
Try them on. Yeah.
All right, sure. Okay, now let's switch the roles. So this time, you'll be the customer, I'll be the staff. Okay, please start.
Okay. Excuse me, I reserved the sneakers a month ago.
May I see your reservation slip?
I'm not with me now. I'm Yamada, by the way.
It's not with me now.
Sorry. It's not with me now. I'm Yamada, by the way.
Did you reserve our new sneakers?
Exactly.
Here they are. Would you like to try them on?
Sure.
Okay.